Tom is sleeping on the sofa. Jerry tiptoes in, tickles Tom's nose with a feather. Tom sneezes loudly, achoo, and falls off the couch. Jerry laughs and hides behind the curtain. Tom sets a cheese trap to catch Jerry. Jerry sees it and swaps the cheese with the toy mouse. Tom proudly pulls the string. Bam! The trap catches himself. Jerry runs into the kitchen, grabs a cream can, and sprays it all over Tom's face. Now, Tom looks like a walking cake. Jerry claps his hands and shouts, "Nice makeup, Tom." Tom uses a vacuum cleaner to suck Jerry out of his hole, but Jerry puts a balloon inside the pipe. When Tom turns it on, boom! The room fills with dust and feathers. Tom says, "I just cleaned this place." Jerry turns on loud music. Tom says, "Let's see who dances better." Both start dancing. Tom twists. Jerry moonwalks. Tom slips on soap and spins like a tornado. Tom offers Jerry an ice cream as a peace gift. Jerry smiles. "Let's share, one bite each." Tom opens his mouth. Splat! Jerry throws the whole ice cream right in his face. They both sit down, laughing. Tom says, "Friends?" Jerry says, "Friends." Then he secretly blows a horn in Tom's ear. Beep! Moral: even fights can end in friendship. Laughter makes everything better.